To publish a book on Amazon, you need to provide information about the book. It's better to prepare it before uploading, so you have time to think about it and make it more SEO friendly for people to find it in search. You need the title of the book, which should be exactly what you wrote on the book itself. Then you have the subtitle, which can describe the book in one sentence, including the age group and the main idea of the book. Next, you need the description. This should include information about the story in the book, and if you added activities like coloring pages or games, you can mention that in the description too. Also include details about the book itself, like how many pages it has and anything special about it. You can use AI to help you write it. 2 more things you need are the categories for the book. You can have up to 3 categories. Use AI to help you find the right one so people can find your book in the right place. Also, think about the keywords, the words that best describe your book. Again, ask ChatGPT for help if you are not sure. Log into Amazon KDP and go to the bookshelf, then click Add New Book. You can upload up to 3 books a day. Choose the paperback if you have a short book. If your book is over 75 pages, you can also upload it as a hardcover. Add the book information you prepared. If your book is part of a series, you can connect it to the series to reach more readers. Click here to add your book to a series. You also need the author's name, which can be your real name or a pen name. If you used a public domain story, check the box for it. In the primary audience section, check No if you created a children's book. Then add the reading age. Be specific, as you know your book best. To choose categories, click on Categories, then follow the steps to mark up to 3 categories. Use all 3 if you can. If your book has mostly lines so people can write in it, check that box. If your text is large print, check that box. This is mostly for adult books. In the keyword section, you can write more than 1 word in each line, but make sure the word combinations make sense. Then choose if you want the publication date and release date to be the same. This is right if you are publishing this book for the first time. Lastly, decide if you want to publish the book now or on a future date. This depends on whether you plan to promote it on social media first to get pre-orders. Now click Save and Continue. On the next page, you have more information about the book, and here you also need to upload the manuscript and the cover. The first thing you see is the ISBN. If you use the one from Amazon, you get it for free. Click the button to get it, then copy the number and add it to your book in the copyright page information. Download your book after that. If you already have an ISBN from another source, click Add Your Own ISBN and write it there. Next, choose the type of paper and color. I upload children's books, so they need to be in color. I use the standard color, but you can choose premium colors if you want. Then click Trim Size and select a different size if your book was created in another size. Because the images in the pages are supposed to fill the whole page, I chose Bleed so the images go up to the edge. But if you designed the book so the images do not fill the whole page, choose No Bleed. Choose the paperback cover finish. It can be matte or glossy. I chose glossy because it is a children's book, but this is a personal preference. Now upload the book. Click Upload and choose the PDF file from your computer. If you downloaded it from Canva, then when you download, use the Print PDF option and also click Flatten. That way, it will not get messed up when you upload it to Amazon. The next step is the cover. If you want to create the cover with Amazon, click the button. I prefer to create it in Canva. The cover should be a specific size depending on the type of paper, the kind of cover, and the page count. To find the exact dimensions, use the Amazon cover calculator. Enter all the information about your book, and it will give you the exact size you need. In Canva, set the cover to this exact size. If you have already added pages, use the resize option to make them fit correctly. So I download it as a PDF file again for print and flatten it. Then I click on the second option and upload the file. It takes time to upload. The next step is crucial. If you created the book with AI like I did, you should mention it. Click Yes, then fill in the tool you use to create the content. You have options for writing, images, and translation. You should also mention how much the AI helped you to create the content of the book. Then wait for the launch previewer to become available and see the formatted book. Look at all the pages to make sure they are on the right side of the book. This is especially important to check that the coloring page or game is on the right side for left to right books. If something is off or the cover doesn't fit well, go back to Canva or the tool you use to design the book and make the changes. After that, upload it again. you will have a box to confirm that the book is still the same. Then check again with the book preview to make sure everything is set right. Next, click Save and Continue. You can also save it as a draft at any point if you don't have time to finish now. But the next page is fast, so if you got to this point, it's a good idea to finish uploading. If everything is okay, you will see the cost of printing for you. Now for the pricing, check where you want to sell the book, and then add the price for Amazon.com. You will see a suggestion there. The minimum is what they suggest. You can't sell it for less than that. Choose the right price for you, so you make some money, then save. You will get a suggestion to publish the book also as a Kindle digital book. You can do the same process. The only difference is the size of the book. If you made a square book, you need to format it again in a different way so it will fit. Also, if your book contains coloring pages or games, it's not going to work with Kindle, and you also have to add a table of contents. For me, it didn't work with this specific book, so I didn't publish it. Now wait for approval. If you have any problems with the book, they will tell you what you need to fix. Click on this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.